Good morning. Students, this is your biology class. Today we're going to start our new chapter, which is weather and element of weather. So first of all, you have a 1 minute. I am going to share a slide, case 1 and case 2. So these two pictures represent the weather of a particular place. In first case, the weather of the position is sunny, and second case it is raining. So there are two atmospheric conditions at different time. So weather is state of atmosphere at a particular place and time. So first is sunny, second is rainy, and third is snowy. So next slide. So how do we represent weather of following places? Place 1 is warm and sunny, and place 2 is cold and snowy. So how does weather of a particular place change? Change in weather is depend upon certain factor. For example, it is depend upon element of weather. Element of weather, there are 6 type of elements. First element is very important element, which is depend upon weather is depend upon these factor, which is temperature. So maximum and minimum temperature are recorded for each day is determine the weather of a place. For example, according to this slide, 25 degrees Celsius is temperature. So for a one day, the lowest temperature is 17 degree and highest or maximum temperature is 27 degree. So it decide the weather of a day. Next element is rainfall. So amount of rainfall over a day, over a month, over a year is measured determine the weather of a place. And third one is humidity. Humidity, amount of water vapor present in air for each day recorded to determine the weather of a place. So other element of weather is wind, cloud, and atmospheric pressure. These are 3 different elements which is help to change weather of a particular place. So at the last we summarized the whole discussion. So day-to-day condition atmospheric at a particular place with respect to temperature, rainfall, humidity, wind, so on. This is called weather at a place. So recently we have discussed 6 elements. So first element which is depend is temperature, second is wind, third is humidity, and fourth is atmospheric pressure, and fifth is rainfall, and seventh is cloud. So students, in our daily life many times we are hearing weather being used. So in TV news, mobile phone, newspaper, and various places we listen related to weather. So term weather in news and phone, newspaper, and conversation with other people. So weather report, what do you mean by weather report? Weather report is a particular day or a position, so climate of a particular place, which is a weather report. For example, temperature of a particular place, rainfall, humidity are three main elements that are measured and recorded daily to create a weather report. So there are three important elements which helps to make a weather report of a day, which is temperature, rainfall and humidity. In this slide there are, so in this slide temperature is 25 degrees Celsius and humidity in a day is 63% and wind speed recorded 23 km per hour. So why do summer afternoon feel very hot while early morning are pleasant? So summer afternoon feel hot while early morning are pleasant because temperature is maximum at noon and minimum during early hour of the morning. So student, how do we measure temperature? So we measuring the temperature while using the thermometer. So there are two type of units. One is degree Celsius or another is Fahrenheit. So since temperature varies throughout a day, it is measuring using the maximum and minimum thermometer or 6 thermometer. So rainfall, just like temperature, rainfall also varies. It can range from no rain to rain at certain time of the day to rain throughout the day. Hence, it is measure the amount of rainfall over a day or over a year. So student, how do we measure rainfall? Rainfall measured using the rain gauge. It is measured in term of millimeter of rain, which is mm. So a given slide, in this slide shown in a figure of funnel and at a cylindrical tube fitted with surmounted a funnel. So on a cylindrical tube there punched a scale in mm. So when a raindrop filled in this funnel during a particular time, so we calculate the maximum height or mm of a rain during a day. So humidity, just like a temperature, humidity also varies throughout a day. Hence, amount of water vapor present in air while each day. So how do we measure humidity? Humidity measure using a device, hygrometer. It is measured gram per meter cube. For a weather report, it is calculated as a relative humidity and expressed as a percentage. So at the last, temperature, rainfall and humidity, there are three main elements which is help to record a daily weather report. So temperature measured in minimum and temperature and maximum temperature of a day. Rainfall is a term in millimeter while measuring using the rain gauge. and humidity is measured in gram per meter cube. It is the device which helps to measure the humidity is known as hygrometer. So student, if you have any problem and any confusion related to this topic, you have to text me or call me anytime. Thank you. Happy learning.